First we rockin' this how we roll. Block is hot cause it shake that tone. Tough as galmas, no sticks and stones. Rap connector like pick that hoe. Lights go out and my pack just grow. Opposition my prime out pose. Game of hunger, I bring that spot. You're one not out. Things up, attack on feet as a man down. I've been going these bars like a handout. Too many cap, then I've been losing head count. Sit a red dot. I let you cook so a hunt for my dinner mine. But that only get bigger and bigger. If I took whooping, it must be a thriller. Woke up and blast, so I must be a chiller.
Way out when it fades out. Can't hide in the dark. When the moonlight on the full rise is going down.
That they can't stop or in dangerous. So don't play with us, could be dangerous.
So ride a bit of sound, sound.
That's how we howl. Move walk on a rooftop like a booth. I move like that geograph with a zoom chop. Move around, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Cut the throat, got the goal. Rewind the video, do a really get it right attack. You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang cause we got the beast. Call it first and a new type of breed. Never cease, I got much to feed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand ounces. Now the fear surrounded. A room is ours. Broke like a group of wild. There's no truth but the truth of ours.
Break out the escape route. There's nowhere to guide. Close to midnight in the night skies. Come hunt and die. But they can't stop or in dangerous. If you aim the rest could be dangerous. So right here the sound. That's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'.
That's how we howlin', growlin', growlin'.
Where are you now? Welcome to the world with a strong